To complete this Nearpod activity, you're going to click here and click on the link. Once you click on the link, it's going to bring you to the Nearpod web page where you are going to type in your name and your last name, and you're going to join the session. Once you join the session, you'll be able to begin the Nearpod. You can watch the video and learn a little bit more about the different insects. Then match the larva with the adult stage. Look around at the different pictures of the grasshoppers, and there's a 3D interaction, so you can interact with an adult grasshopper. Here's another video that you can watch, and there is some questions that you need to answer, a interactive field trip, a time to climb, and a Flipgrid. So once you're done learning a little bit more, you click on login with Google, and you're going to click on the green button to add a video about what you have learned about cycles. So you're going to click on join with your email, and it's going to bring you here where you are going to actually click on this green button. And once you click on this green button, you're going to click allow the use of your camera, and it's going to bring your camera, and you can record your video about what you learned in the cycles. Okay. And then the last thing, if you have a printer, you can print out this picture. And once you print this picture and finish coloring, you can go to quivervision.com on your phone, and it will make it into a 3D life cycle. So that's pretty cool. So once you're done, you just exit out, and you're done with your Nearpod.